couple years ago, I decided I wanted to try my hand at making archery bows. When I was growing up, my father had the whole family involved in archery. By the time I was in high school, I was a pretty good archer. So I watched a few videos on YouTube and decided I'd like to make a bow myself. This one here with the red backing on it is a handkerchief. And this one here has got blue jean material on it. This is the one that's finished. It's got a 32-pound pull, and it's a really nice shooting bow. This is actually a video of the first time I have shot it. So I hope you enjoy. The last arrow, the black arrow. And that's the way you do it.